Hi there, greetings everyone, and welcome back to Thursday. Another very snowy day out there today. I hope you're all okay. Thank you to all the subscribers and family members. I really appreciate you being here. Makes everything worthwhile. Thank you for the comments. Please keep them coming. Another quick taste test now, folks. And this is another from Lidl, and this is a Chef Select sauteed potatoes with smoked bacon and onion. Slices of lightly seasoned potato with diced smoked bacon and chopped onion. Taste of British classic. Serves 2 and it cooks in 8 minutes. Pan fried. That is 500 grams. And it's £1.49. Your ingredients in this are 92% bacon, 4% smoked bacon, preservative sodium nitrate, dextrose, antioxidant sodium ascorbate, rapeseed oil, 2% onion, smoked salt, spices and maltodextrin. There's the nutritional information. Should anybody wish to stop the video and take a look. So, we'll see what these taste like. There they are, after being pan fried. As you can see, there are plenty of them, without a doubt. So let's give them a go. A very nice simple dish. Nicely thinly sliced rounds of potato there. The potatoes are very nice, they've got a very good texture. No complaints at all so far. Try some with the bacon now. There's not a lot of the bacon, but the bacon that there is tastes quite nice. It's nice and tender. I'm not really picking up any onion as such. For me personally, it needs a little bit more seasoning. I'm going to add some of this Mediterranean sea salt. And see if that makes any difference. There. That makes a whole lot of difference, it really does. Makes them far more palatable. And overall it's a decent food. No complaints as such. To give it a score, I'll score it 8 out of 10. It's definitely value for money, and the amount there speaks for itself. And I'm quite sure that this is another product from Lidl that's a winner, and certainly one that I'll be buying again. It would be quite easy to make yourself, of course, but for convenience, quality, it's very, very good. The only thing for me was that it needed that little bit extra seasoning for my personal taste. But beyond that, it's great. As I say, 8 out of 10. You don't have to sit and watch me eat it all, so if you've liked what you've seen, please hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And above all, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. It will cost you absolutely nothing. Helps the channel grow, and we become part of that bigger community. And as always, at that point, I will say to you all, Namaste. And may your God go with you. Bye for now, everyone.